Okay. I have a nice speed on the connection. Yes, we have 50 kbps, so I think we are good.
We are good to go. We just have to share the link.
Okay. Open it so I can monitor what's going on in the YouTube. Open it so I can monitor what's going on in the YouTube.
Looks good.
Okay, so let me copy the links and
No, I got it. Copy. Oh, yeah. What is happening? Looks good.
okay, so let me copy the links and
No, I got it.
okay. So anyway, just open now. Let's just start with the basics again. So these are the current zones we have, and this is the 30-minute order block. And in the bottom, we also have 30-minute order block.
So you are expecting a slight retracement to the downside for a major upward movement?
We anything yet. So maybe price come either this, and then from there we can drop maybe like this. I'm not in favor of price will shoot up again. Like if a price would shoot up, it would have shoot up tomorrow. Sorry, yesterday, the FOMC. But I think
Not tomorrow.
price or
Makes sense, actually.
price already priced in. We dropped a bit. Now this is the last support zone. We all know that. See, this was the last support zone on 4 hours. So we obviously we would have some sort of reaction here. And if we draw some fifth level from this high to this low, price only retraced 50%. So far, it might probably retrace for maybe 61 or even 78, and then it can start to drop. So we have to open on all angles, and now price just tapped to this 4 hour order block at 78. You see?
Yes.
But
4-hour order block, right? I remember morning I was mentioning you an entry, 4-hour order block entry. 60 pip from that easily dropped.
And again, it gave the reaction from pivot. Same. But again, let's
So I ended on the second time when it tapped the pivot again. I ended at the second time. First time I missed it. Like I don't know. I kept a sell limit, but when I ended a buy, I think so I deleted the sell limit. So eventually I never got activated. So, and then later when it gave me another opportunity at the pivot, I ended. Good profit. I just a scalp only, Henry.
okay. So now you made like 500 bits today.
Oh, almost, yeah, actually. I'm very much scared that I should not be trading anymore.
Yeah. So
Like I know my limits is done. Like I have good amount of profits logged in, and I have already taken a few of the amount from that asset. As in I have put in for request to take out the money also. So I'm like done. Done for
okay.
the day, done for the week. Actually, tomorrow I might not trade only.
Well, tomorrow is Friday, the losing day. Losing.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going to trade tomorrow.
I have like Friday, if I count all the things, I have majority of the losses coming in Friday NY session. So NY session, okay, so I'm like, okay, I'm too addicted to trade, so I can't stop myself. So only option I have left is reduce the risk. You know? So
Yeah,
I
or you
just
could, you could actually trade in other accounts also. You have your what your challenge account and all those things. So you could try it in that also. Or
Yeah.
competition accounts are there.
No, from maybe next, no, but still. From next week on, maybe
Okay, fine.
I'll put a challenge account. I'll buy a challenge account and then put that account on the stream. So I'll pass account all together. Like,
Yes.
so when I,
Yeah, next week even I'll actually buy an account. My India, I'm on my way to India goal, so I need to do that.
so when is your flight?
Flight I have not booked, no.
No, but you're coming on December, nah?
Yeah, December. Most early mid of December I will fly from here.
But if we have a closer above 71, I'll most probably switch to buys. So I'm just waiting
Even
for
me.
it. So if we go to closer move, we'll buy. We have clean the anxiety, sir. It can happen, who knows? But then let's wait for the news. We have news in 8 minutes, so after news we will decide.
Yes.
And but the EU and GU, I think we have enough in EU and GU today. We made money in GU. Let's just not push it. Like GU gave us something. EU 1, 2, 3. We have 3 EU GU trades enough for this week. That's too much. I'm still wondering why we haven't have a loss on EU and GU so far. While looking at the track report, we have won the both.
Why there has not been a loss yet?
Hmm.
It's overall a good week.
Yeah,
I would like to keep it in this way, and that's why I'm ending my week on a very good note. I'm like, yeah.
this is our buys only for sell now.
Next week, let's see if I will trade or not, because again, I told you before itself, my payouts are coming up. So
Dude, let's just be
I am.
honest with each other. You'll trade, okay? Yeah.
I will trade. I will buy an account, that much I know.
Well, that's it. So, dude, man, I think price, see, this tiny support level, see, we have support, resistance, support price respecting this 67, SL below 64, and then it gave you how many pips right here? 43 pips, just like that, you know. But you don't want to trade in this. Trade over here. This is a clean zone. And then this might be area where we need to be careful or locks and passes. See, if you look at GJ, so GJ did a breakout, now came down, fake out. What do you think about this?
GJ would be.
Again,
You do know GJ is one of the hardest pair to read by now. So
but I think this
I
might work out. So it's a 14 pip SL only, and then it might go to it. But let's just see, not trading GJ, but just keep in momentum. But what I'm seeing right now is, so we do have a breakout. It came down, price closed back below this last resistance zone, and then price didn't sustain it, came back over the range. So I think if it's a fake out, then price might shoot back towards this area. But again, it's GJ, so one more not touch it. 5 more minutes till the news. Now I miss my channel. See?
nice.
It was
Oh,
some kind of breakout, 69, 72. So it was like, if you look at by this same logic we are looking above, it was a good entry. See, price tapped from this resistance, came down, create support right here, see, this area. And then we had bullish closer, 67, and that could have been entry. So not for the sake of, we missed that trade, doesn't matter, it's not in our plan, but this is how things work. Same story Again, let's just say this price do a breakout to the upside, then create some sort of support right here, resistance right here.
Yeah.
Price go,
Yes.
same story, tap here, rejection, came down, do some bullish closer, and then roll. If it decide to stay, like what's happening on GJ. We need a breakout, price create resistance, came down, now price decide to reject from this area where it rejected from last time. Again, if you reduce the support level to bit below, now you can see clearly. So now we are expecting the support level, high chances that price can continue from a big upside. And
So in 3 minutes there is a news. So we'll wait for the news, how it reacts.
please look 1 hour order block. We should consider 1 hour order block or averaging global. Hourly order block on body. So yes, this is 1 hour order block. But it's too big. But it's a legit order block. We cannot deny that. And then we have an 36K figure right here. If price decide to go a bit further down, then we can maybe try from 53, but we keep our SL between of this order block, not 34.
Not the full SL, right?
Yeah.
That's way too big.
So maybe if we take this trade, then we'll keep our SL around 42. So same 53, 54 into 42 SL 110 pips. And then we can try to target same 70. But let's just wait for the news. And then we'll try to target. And see on this 30-minute, we have two confirmation. We have order block plus V up and 8K FVG right here. So 63, 8 tap to 64. Missed by 15 pips. It would have been nice. 45. What I see. So news in 1 minute, the same thing.
Yeah.
So higher than expected is bad for gold and lower than expected is good for USD. In short, if number came high, when they say 241K, they're expecting it came as a 300. So gold will shoot up. And if it came around 200, gold can go a bit for 1,500 bits more. So let's get ready. And
Yeah.
numbers well, okay. So
Look,
this is board for USD. Board for USD, gold should drop a bit. See,
and USD also dropping. Nice.
yeah, this see there 1927K is last time we get 1920K. They're expecting 1950, so it's good. So continuing jobless claim means, some people who are unemployed, they're, claiming the jobless money from the Fed government.
Yeah.
And so now the number is reduced by, let's just say, how much? 30,000. And now,
Yeah. So basically, it is good for USD.
and same, and the first time job seeker, they were looking for support from the government. They are also reduced by 10K. So it's a good number for USD. So according to the number, it should come down a bit. But don't expect that gold will drop 100, 200 pips just because of these numbers. Although EUG might give us some nice retracement on these numbers, but it's not a CPI or FMC that gold will did flash up and down like yesterday.
Yeah.
This is also nice
This was
area.
not a very high impact.
We have pivot plus POI plus this EMA. This is nice area. The price is struggling to break this. So no change in plan yet. We will buy gold if you trace a bit around this, this 62, 63 area, or if it go to the upside above 72, then we'll buy from there. So both options are open. The 4 hour is close bullish, still respecting this order block, and most probably the moment is coming an ISL out there. So now we have time to do. If anybody got some questions, post in chat. Otherwise, I'll move to chess.
Okay.
All the time, what people miss my rant. I was mute. So let's just put
That
an.
was very unfortunate, I would say. Actually.
Oh man, that stream just started. I don't want to give people some weird thoughts. So I put an alert over here and alert on the upside. And now this is 6 o'clock. Just wait for 30 more minutes. 4 hours is about to close as well. So let the market pick a direction and then we trade based on that direction. You ready now? Let's just open chess.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
बोला मन तो ऐसे कर रहा है कि we should start playing battlefield in between, but that would be too much.
That would be too much, maybe. Yeah. You send me the request.
Yes, drop on the boat. No, I have sent it, but let me send it. मेरे को भी है हमेशा चेस खेलता दिखता है किसी न किसी से. See?
These are pro chess players. I'm not. I am somebody who plays very some time to time. That's it.
Okay, go open in it. Okay, I did some bad play right here. Okay, dude, hold on one second. I think we might have interest soon.
Yeah.
So if we take an entry, that entry would be around, let's just mid of this thing is 37. So we can take in. So there are two options. Either you take on FEG or you take on the pure type. Sorry, this order block. So 62, 76, this will go 60. This is the difference. So very 30 pips. But I have this thing that if we already tap to FEG once, then why would it respect the FEG now? Okay, let it come down a bit, we'll start. We'll take one. Hello.
30-minute order block would be your next entry then.
Oh. You tried to kill my queen, just like that.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Shit. You don't want peace in your life now.
Dude, you are sitting right in the fourth row. What am I supposed to do? Let me bring in the cavalry. Okay, you can't kill this. What I bring from that?
Oh, I forgot about that actually.
Otherwise, my queen will be born, huh?
Yeah, I know. What did I do? I think I'm just playing stupidly. What am I doing? I do not actually. You won't let me live peacefully at all.
Dude, look where you are.
I am in there. Okay, yeah, fine. Oh, now you are okay. Gone, right? Five.
Yeah, I did a mistake too. I did a heavy mistake. Oh, this I can kill you. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what.
Good.
That's what I did not understand when you said that you made a mistake.
Oh, somebody queen thought I was going there.
Yeah.
Okay, I might have overestimated myself.
Both of our queen will go, Manoj.
They don't want to go in those things.
Both of our queen will go, bro.
No, you can't give anything right now. You try to kill no, yes. That is why we are wrong, but
No, you.
dude, you played me.
I saw it. Let's sorry, bro.
I could have avoided this, but I didn't. So now I have to save this tiny fella.
Which tiny fellow?
Bishop.
Oh, that tiny fellow.
Again, it rolled again, goes to that area we almost put a timber.
Sorry, bro. Your queen has to go.
I hate you. With that,
I did not. It's not a trap. Fine. Take it.
okay. Board is in full power now. Okay, where can I define this? I'm black, right? I'm black.
You are black.
Yeah.
Okay. I actually do not understand that.
Okay, this is where I messed up now. You tricked me. I was thinking to
I thought you would have seen it coming
No,
actually
no,
because it was clear cut.
I was thinking to move my make a space for my king, but I will maybe next move I will paint him. No, man, only they have to come down is slightly bit more, but again,
It is not. I still have the runners going on, okay? Like
I get
from the
keep pulling on the white.
yeah. If it is EMI crossover and it is absolutely happening this time, this would be my favorite method of trading that.
So it is insanely. No, it seems like market is dead, no?
Yesterday market moved heaven and earth. After that, what do you expect to happen? Today also the same movement?
Well, that is also
Tomorrow might a correction. Tomorrow I do expect a correction to happen. Like, okay. Considering how the weekly looks, tomorrow I do think a correction. Like, I do want a correction to happen. At least come down to 3600 once so that we know that it's a good. We can enter again.
You know what we can do? I can keep running on this stream. Or Rachit Sim, you need my rent, why need my MTB? Start में ठीक नहीं है ऐसा करते हैं I had alert place है ना in case my alert got hit I'll come on the stream again until it didn't get hit then we can maybe I'll let my stream running my in that part and I'll come back around maybe 7 we have 45 minutes
so
or if we have breakout happen then I'm sure we can take a trade on the breakout to the upside. Okay, folks. So let's just take a break and we'll come around NYSE.
Yes.
What if this breakout happens right away?
Which is saying, where is our entry actually, bro? Entry is not there right now.
अबे यार ये
30-minute on block.
अरे भाई वो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक में भी एफईजी ऊपर लेंगे बट मैंने एंट्री लगाई नहीं है अभी तक है ना आई वांट टू सी अ रिएक्शन बस तो अगर मेरी इच्छा नहीं है एफईजी पे एंट्री यानी कि हम लाइक टू टेक एंट्री एग्जैक्टली ऑर्डर ब्लॉक ठीक है तो ये जैसे एफईजी 2 बार टैप हो चुकी है तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि अब की बार जब टैप होगी तो एटलीस्ट कैन लेट इट चलो थ्रू एफईजी देन टैप ऑर्डर ब्लॉक फिर उसके बाद एंट्री आता है तो
no makes sense actually it just slightly tapped FEG twice.
There can 45 minutes. That's it.
45 minutes, that sounds good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me turn off my camera for some time. Where is my camera item? Okay, so I turn off my camera. Stream is running. I'm going on.
Yeah, sure. I will be on mute.
Hello.
Yeah.
I think we come around the order block on 30 minutes.
Yes.
I think we should try this. Because after reducing the FEG, we all... Oh, my bad, sorry. First of all, okay, after reducing the FEG, we have very nice SL. So we can take it right here and then SL just right here. Hey.
Yeah.
Let's go. So, whoa. Buy left on Gold Fox. SL 5350. Again, if we get 30 pips, we'll reduce close half and then leave the rest. Okay? Good. Perfect. Where get you? Right now. Yeah, I have 60-50.
I want 650, 6715.
Okay. So I keep a record of this trade. So we tap to reason for this entry was 30 minute order block. Yes, we were
See the 4 hour closing answer.
we are closing slightly bullish, right?
Or no, slightly bearish.
Hold on, let me check. Let me check.
Yeah, but yeah, I do expect a slight of reaction from this because it just started 30 minutes and the 4 hours not perfect. So the topic would be a profit as it.
Okay, so guys, we tapped. Now reduce the SL.
20 pips, right?
Reduce the SL to current candle low. So reduce SL to 63.80. No, hold on my word. Sorry, no, reduce SL to 60. No, I don't make mistake.
No, not factor.
Yeah, 59.50 should be the SL. Okay.
59.50, yeah, makes sense, yeah.
The current candle context spreads everything. Okay, in case this hit our SL, then we'll break even anyway. So nothing much.
Yes. Barely. And he put the dog out.
Yeah, me too, I'm out that.
Okay, as expected, it for our good period a small top trip, which basically was my idea for taking the trade. That makes sense. Good. The 4 hour all o'clock actually was doing nicely.
And if you look at the 4 hour, then it was again sell. So if you take from 63, then it would be a sell.
Yeah.
And then we sell to, oh, it dropped 65 already.
Secret.
Look at only 4 hours. So don't look at anyone, look at 4 hours. So the 4 hour it was bearish, bullish again, bearish, bullish, and now it rejected. So this 63 we could have sell based on 4 hours.
I have to do something.
You are in sell already, yeah?
I think it has a bit of set. Like my entry was from, if that was my entry was from daily pivot actually.
Again.
Yeah, like 4 hour. I told you, right? It gave me an entry. I hope people who are active did take passions. And they are smart enough to be out of this trade by now. Let's just create a poll actually. I know there are only few people. And then I just mentioned the page. Oh. Well,
Finally, we have some break-even trade.
yes. Defense and stat, right? It's better to have a break even rather than a.
No, but this was me. I might as well, I didn't drag it all the way, but I had like tiny profit. But if you look at this thing, moment you tap to this order block, it gave you some sort of 50 pips. So the 30-minute order block just right here. But this was the first tap. So, and we got active from, a bit earlier than that, So my entry was something around, let's just say 61 or something. 65 or something. Oh, 61 my entry was. Then it gave you literally 40 pips. But it cut half, like in an instant. And then rest is break even, so they come kind of small profit. So yeah, this is how you offset your risk. So you're entering out active, you take half at 20, 30 pips, whatever, and then leave the rest. And if you the actual move that's supposed to happen in your direction, then you can add more. Let's just say this buy went down and price start to push up. Then we'll add more again here. The position we cut, we'll add half here again.
That's the thing. Actually, I thought of adding the buy, but there I already have buy going on, right? So I thought of adding more buy, but right now I'm not. Like I'm already in a sell position, which is earning very fairly good for me. So I've not add more potential to that. My TP for this is I think that the 1 hour order block might not actually work out. It might just get invalidated. You would expect a reaction, but I think it won't actually give you a big reaction as I expect.
Because first of all, the FVG here is nice. And so we have 35k FVG. Let's just find the confirmation after it. And here is 20. Won't work exactly from the point it's supposed to be at. 20k FVG plus daily pivot, that and plus this 4 hour order block, that gave you 160 pips. just like that.
Yes.
And now on this entry, if we want to enter, so that would be entry on 53. But the only issue right now is that SL will go quite big. If we go in the hourly order look angle, so hourly order look, and if we count on this, so that would be a 50% FIBO level. FVG is nice. We can try this as well, 50%, 61, 78. We take our SL below 78 and then we can attempt this. So we can, so it go long from 50% exactly and then keep. But SL will be 110 tips. That is the only thing bothering me right now. Even if I reduce my entry to this 53.17. Yeah, if you reduce your entry to exactly 53, like this example, then your SL would go around this pivot level. So 42.50 would be your SL. Yeah. And if you look at that, what do you call it? The boss of angle, let's just say this is the boss. But the change of character haven't closed above this one. So I wanted price to close above this to have valid choke. So is this a valid choke? No. So this ain't a structure safety yet.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it is not a success rate. Even that, I agree to that. But that is, you're looking at 1 hour. But on 15 minutes, I don't think there is a good structure shift. And
No.
the FCG and the inducement also happened.
No, on 15, there is nothing. No structure shift.
Oh, 15 at the close, actually.
15, you said there is no closer. It's all just liquidation.
No, now to the sell side. Earlier,
Yeah, sell side,
yeah.
sell side, there were two plays today. Those were the easiest. And I think this candle, when you give a breakout over here, this next one will go up towards 33, then you rejected, that's a different issue. And again, this 4 hour candle still respecting this zone, 33.65. This next candle take out these liquidity, then closer 63, and that is your sell 56. So something 90 pips it gave. And so this is a critical range, price is in this range on based on 4 hour. Any 4 hour close below this, we came like this on 4 hour. Sorry. So we came like this on 4 hour, then expect price to fill this range toward this 32. Or if we go some bullish candle closer, above 67, 68. Then expect price to fill the next range. Like this. So we have both options open on both sides. So these are our current zones on 4 hour. But if you switch to 1 hour, then hourly you need to make it close over this area, 72 or towards 86. That's the next zone we have to buy. And to the sell side, let price come down, close below this 52, not even 52. So let's close below this area, 50. And then 50 towards, we have 33, we have this range. So one alert is here and one alert is here, and then you can relax. Even on 30 minutes, these are the same zone. Although this 30-minute order flow is still valid, it can still work out, Price is still respecting this. And if you give me some sort of bullish closure here, let us say next candle becomes some sort of heavy bullish or engulfing candle, then I buy right here. But till then, just wait and watch.
I've taken more parcels out for myself. It's just like prediction, so I'm taking more parcels out and I'll put my vessel to break even. So yeah, practically I'm fine with it. So
Nice. See, gold still giving a reaction from this area.
Or a lock, yeah.
So let something close.
Sorry.
Okay, well, let us do one thing. Let us wait for NYC now. We are already there. We have hardly 30 minutes left, and so in next 30 minute candle 15 and 15, we might find the direction. And if you enter again, then it's for 50 pesos again. That's okay.
That looks like it's back to our entry now.
Don't worry, let it close out, we can enter again. No issues in that part.
Yeah, that's fine. Why not? Like, I think I'm closing for the day. Like,
Dude, it's yesterday it was in the morning, but we didn't enter.
yeah, I would imagine gold rated best sell, a buy, and a sell. Till now, whatever. Till now, from my perspective, these three things are happened. I was in all three actually.
Again, you can take, you know, you can try on trades away. Like if you know the risk control, the only, you know, when you start trading, the only way I say people that trading start बिना पहले डिसिप्लिन में आना सीखो, है ना? दिन की 2-3 ट्रेड लो, फॉलो इट फॉर माय 2-3 months. अगर तुम प्रॉपर्ली 2-3 ट्रेड से प्लान फॉलो कर रहे हो, रिस्क कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, एंड देन ओके, you are on 0.10 load or 0.15 load, and you follow that load for maybe let's say 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So now you can assess that हाँ मैं प्लान फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, लोड कंसिस्टेंट है, कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट है, then you can just increase the load slightly, then bit more, है ना? बट ऐसे नहीं कि आज लोड चला 0.50 का, 0.10 का, नेक्स्ट लोड चल रहा है 2 का लोड, क्योंकि तुमसे लॉस बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ. इससे क्या साइकिल खत्म हो जाती है. इसमें तुम इसी साइड का नहीं रहे, ना तो तुमसे बाय होंगे ना सेल होंगे, ट्रेड काम भी कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि तुमने ओवर रिस्क करके लॉस खाया ना, तो तुम
Yeah, exactly. Moreover, you will be scared of profits rather than losing. Like, even if the money is coming, you will be like, oh no, this money I have to save, I'll cut the position. But your idea still worked out. If they would have worked out, would be working out, you would not know it.
Yeah, same story. This trade उस ट्रेड में तुमने ओवर रिस्क करके लॉस खा लिया था, और यार लॉस भी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. इस गेम में लॉस लगेंगे. तुमने लॉस खाया, यू सपोज तुम 0.5% या 1%, बट तुमने लॉस खाया 2%, 3% का. अब लिटरली अगले 3-4 ट्रेड तुमसे रिकवरी नहीं होगा, और इस बात की थोड़ी गारंटी थोड़ी ना है, अगले 3-4 ट्रेड तुम लिटरली भी नहीं करोगे. उसके बाद समझो कि तुम्हें एक और लॉस लग गया. नाउ वी आर ऑलरेडी डाउन 3%, है ना? जबकि सिर्फ उस ट्रेड में तुम्हें 1% रिस्क करना था, देन 1% लॉस इज फाइन. बट नहीं, ओवर रिस्क करके तुम फालतू क्या बोलते हैं 2-3 पूरा वीक खराब हो जाता है ना उस चीज़ से. समझो कि तुम 1-2 ट्रेड तुम्हें लग गई ओवर रिस्क के ऊपर, तुम डाउन हो 4-5%. एंड यार तो तुम अगर तुम नॉर्मल रिस्क करते यू बी डाउन 2%, 2-3 ट्रेड में रिकवर हो सकता है आराम से, है ना? बट अगेन वो पूरा वीक इस रिकवरी में चला जाएगा, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर स्क्वायर टू 0. मतलब पूरा वीक स्टार्ट हुआ था, अब आई वाज 10,000 एंड स्टिल 10,000, बट एक टाइम बोले ना प्रॉफिट था 10,500, बट फिर अगली मैंने लॉस खा लिया, फिर 9,500, ना हो 10,000 पे. इट्स अ लॉजिकल सेंस.
Exactly.
तो वही है बस. इस गेम में तो सेम सीन है. स्लो इज द फास्टेस्ट इन दिस गेम. और अपन ने सारे काम कर लिए ना ब्रो. वी ब्लास्टेड मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स, and we blasted accounts, we tried to pass account in one day. सारे काम कर लेते हैं. मतलब ऐसी कोई गलती मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अपन ने नहीं करी होगी जो नए लोग करेंगे. सब कर लिए अपन. ये जैसे कि स्टार्ट में सोचते नहीं भाई इसको नहीं पता कि मेरे को सब आता है, ये वो समथिंग. हमने सारे काम कर लिए. We did all the things. We tried to pass account in one day. We blasted account. We blasted live account. We maybe blasted 50-60 challenge account. सारे काम करते. सेम स्टोरी यही है कि स्टार्ट्स लो, एक दो ट्रेड लो, कोई एक पेयर पकड़ो, उसको मास्टर करो, प्लान फॉलो करो, और बस वो एक बार when you are in your routine, then add next pair. But so अपन एनालिसिस कर रहे थे, मैं गलत राह पे जा रहा ना.
But just saying what actually matters. People actually should listen. If they understand, that's good. But
अरे भाई वो ये अरुण अपने वाली बात कोई नहीं समझता. अरे स्टार्ट में अपन कहाँ सुनते थे, जब अपन ने ट्रेड स्टार्ट इतने लोग ही थे ना, सब ने कहा था भाई दिन की 2 ट्रेड लो, जर्नल करो, रूल फॉलो करो. कहाँ करे अपन ने, नहीं करे. तो सेम स्टोरी है. तो 10 more minutes हो गया ब्रो. जैस फिर से हो सकता है, अपने पास कोई है नहीं फिलहाल, कोई क्वेश्चन चल नहीं रहे, तो बस ठीक है. ओके वी हैव 10 minutes. एक गेम तो ही सकता है. किधर है जैस?
that's for me also a bit.
Bro, but you tried to move, yeah. इसको बंदा लिया जाएगा.
That was a good game, guys. That was a good game. That's it. And at least 10 games. If I lose one game, I should win.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
It's just that when I get more, that's the more points.
Vijay said, should we try this 36 on hourly? Yes, we could try, but let's just wait for NYC now. This 36 Vijay SL ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Like it's going at least 120 pips. But एक बार देखते हैं मैं NYC कैसे रिएक्ट करता है. डेटा वेटा को लेके उसके बाद देखते हैं. Dude, क्या यार, like you would kill my queen with the pawn? Okay.
I'm letting you live for this time. Oh no. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Revenge, I was in revenge mode.
Yeah, that I don't really understand though.
There's nothing left in life. Life is meaningless now.
It is a hilarious game.
Without queen, there is nothing now.
Now. Okay.
It's again bold. I only ordered both heck and again.
That's a lot to get that to. Of course, I'm that. I do not understand why you did not take my pawn. It does.
Yeah, mistakes was made, bro.
Relevant.
Dude.
But leaving love.
Gold dream now. Thì nó ra again. Gold after this hourly order look, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, just start, yeah. Oh, very nice on this. Very nice, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay. So it's about
Bro, what's the point of this?
it's simple.
I can't
However, all attention but don't want to it.
kill this and unkill this. And yes, done. He's okay. Let's just move.
Not bad. Oh. Yeah.
Lord, I wanted to do something, but you're not doing whatever I want to do. I have to do some weird ass moves.
Okay. Really fine with it. Really fine.
And I was prepared to do it.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
What I've done?
Okay.
Dude, I would have almost made it win, but you.
Really? Yeah, you almost could have. They still have the chance, actually.
I need to do some weird things to make that chance again. So if I kill you right now, okay. Unnecessary move.
Yeah, fair enough. But that's fair good thing.
So if I move there, then nothing much, but what should I do?
Hmm?
Dude. Okay, you can't kill me there. Yes, you can. My dream just gone. Yes. Gold tab to 49. Something that
Okay, I am closing my earlier buys there. And my runners for sell is still growing. Oh my god.
this 4 hour worked very well.
Today I did very well. I am proud of myself.
I know that this 4 hour will work that fine. Again to 50 pips price came to again 48, 47.
See, that's all, like I just had runners going on, right? After 100 pips, I took out the runners. So
This was the third tab, you know. Do protection.
So somebody just texted me saying it help me break this resistance. In fact, it's
What?
wait, just and somebody just one person texted me asking that help me break this resistance.
Okay.
Basically, yeah, he showed me his PNL. I think that in the chart it shows in funding website that it shows that he is very odd actually. How much is later sort of 50% aircraft to pass ashes?
What? Dixie is in full bull mode, and then Dixie is in bull mode, then rest will drop. EU, GU both. And then you can see like. By the way, this was an even nicer one. Yesterday. So if we go with this channel, we do have a breakout. It came above in the morning, retest, and then now it's dropping. So there is a chance that this thing can fill this week. Condition is that Dixie keep on rising on that level, you know? Yes, Dixie keep on going to this one, then expect a drop in EU and GU both. Now, if market is dropping, then why wait? So now if we close like this, then we are good to take a sell till same below this zone.
So I will take a sell once there is a close result. Once there's a will show on coming.
I think what 30 give us a closer already. No? This time,
When there's a closer below 34, then I'll enter more. I'll more into it. For today, though, I'm done.
oh come on, don't you're kidding.
But we're one of the hallways. Like I've taken 4 trades for the day, and
48, 600 pips around.
yeah, more than that actually. So what?
200 in the morning?
There's one of the upwards. What's 4, 5? Around 600 years.
Second, I'm going to pause. Dude, this pivot was 3 times today. 1, 2, and 3.
3 times. It's perfect, bro. Perfect.
Too much perfect, you know.
So, like, second time tap, I had a bit more confidence with like, it's a 112k FPG on 4 hour plus a order block and a daily pivot. It was a very good confirmation we had.
No, this 4-hour order block, the moment it tapped, it gave a nice reaction. And then this 4-hour, see, this candle, this was a bit, so we have bearish, bullish, some rejection, and then moment 63, it dropped straight away 200 pips. So again, this entry is gone. You know, we're planning to take entry below this one. This is gone. This is ripped already. So now we have to move to the next zone now. So if I move on to next zone, that zone is right here. But I'm not taking trade in that zone, so now option left me to this. But gold is don't even want to stop. Yeah. The level of rejection it giving is already 300 pips. So now we only clean zone we have left is this. 3630 to 16.1. Also, this order block might give a reaction some sort of 30-minute, right? Yes.
There's a 15-minute order block that got tapped right now. But yeah, again, I had a doubt earlier itself that this one, on the, like the previous a while ago, I mentioned that this 1 hour order block, I don't,
It's a trap.
it won't work out.
It's first
It didn't give a reaction, I think so.
First of all, it's too big. You don't want to take it to 100 order block, you know, that's the main thing. It's too big to handle right now. And then where would the SL? SL would be like straight away below the, so if the entry was 53, SL would be going to 200 dips. But now the TP level are different. So if you enter 53, at least you will try to make sure get 1-to-1. You have to target 73, but at least have some sort of bullish confirmation before you enter. Market just dropped. It tapped. We don't have any engulfing, any structure shift, even on lower time frame. So that there was nothing. Then how we can enter on that hourly order block? Now market went to see where market is. Market 36 right now. And we just taking trade at, we had a buy at 61, remember? And that we closed it.
Yeah.
And now these both of these EU and GU all this is dropping. So now this GU looks good. If we go to, so now on our lane, if we close it like this on 30-minute, or on 30-minute EU just gave a closer and then drop 18 pips to what 26 pips.
I think that this is all the enough. Like I am happy for the day.
Yeah, it's a good day now. This
So you're very good day.
now just wait for retracement. I need the. Do you want to enter right now? Go ahead. Enter right now. Put SL right here.
No, I am not going to enter right now. So my TP, my runner's TP is 3600.
Yeah, then leave. So again, if I enter it, we can enter what SL will go to 50 pips. Then I don't want to enter. Let the market start. It can't just drop like this and it will continue dropping. There will be a gap, there will be retracement. That is we had a trade. But now this is full in bullish mode. We sweep the liquidity, now respecting this order block. And I think in Asian we sweep the high, we sweep the low, now if that's action direction. So this is a proper, what do you call it? Hardcore manipulation. So we take out the Asian high, thinking the coke price will drop. And then we take out the Asian toes. Now, boom. Sorry. If the gold is in that mode, then where it can go? Sorry, Dixie. If Dixie is in like this, then Dixie can easily tap this area first. 97.72, this one, and even something like this. These four really.
Okay, my TP got hit.
So there is nothing left on no bottom. Now market top 300 pips. 63 till 33. Wow.
Yeah.
Next level. Now somehow see, let me delete everything now. So we clear. Only thing I see this 4 hour right here. We mark this 4 hour right here, and I thought this will close below, then we'll target. But market already fill this range now. 34 market will fill this zone as well. So who knows what will happen, but only sell I'll take below this now. So this is the zone I find that can give me some reaction. That's it. So now price even take out today's lows as well. हाँ भाई विजय बंद कर दिया बैकग्राउंड विजय भाई सर
There was a background music.
Yeah, tiny volume I put. और ये तो ब्लड बाथ चल रहा है इसका भी मौका नहीं मिल रहा अब
Well, I will get that reaction rate. 15 minute post of it. Enough.
See this 5-minute candle is 100 bips. Range I have is 50.
Now there's no point of entering. Like, say we had the highest of the high for the day. And then today's daily pivot is the high of the day.
So yeah.
The 1 minute candle is 60 pips. Did something happen? Right.
Somebody open his mouth again, something.
But like we took the gain in October and the three things to learn for 9 hours.
Plus, the data is also good for the the USD. I think
Yeah.
the NYC just reacted on that.
But usually a longer case does not have this kind of reaction, right?
But see, on since 17th, the buyers never have taken control once on this one. See, the trend is strong and the sellers are strong. Buyer never went in that area. And it's from yesterday.
Buyers are in control, sellers are in control.
Yes. The sellers above this median line, about 20. And then this green is the buyer. Buyer are just bit below now. So this below is the trend, how strong the trend is. Strength of trend, basically. The trend is strong, and then the sellers are in control. Now see sellers showed up suddenly. So seller here, and then see even this, if you look at this area, this RSI was getting bearish movement from some time now. This from 3680 it's getting bearish, and then it dropped. And this was a volume spike on the, what do you call it, FOMC, and then now we have sellers, bit of selling volume. And what else? This range, this breakout is filled very fast, 20 to 35 pips, and same with the Euro USD. Now gold sweep the liquidity, gold tap, this POI working fine now, see? Tap to this POI, 70 pips. And now if the range is filled already, the only possible thing for me is like we wait for sell around this. If we had a sell, So it would be long.
I think the 30-minute POI just gave.
Yeah, it gave literally how many pips? 80?
Yeah. So they are saying that my voice is very odd. I awkward seriously.
तो बहुत के भाई लोगों बेस्ट मिल रहा है तुम्हें. Everything elected from this order log and POI. Let's just wait for this initial, NYC move, and then we'll pick.
Yeah.
And remember this, we take a trade on hourly order look and then 30-minute order look. My market follow the fundamental, and then when you quote in the wrong time, you'll be wrecked. Now if there's a 30-minute order look, hourly order look, both rip through, market don't left anybody. So same thing will happen here. But if we were on stream that time, then this was a good sell on 4 hours. Same in the morning. This was a literally liquidity sweep. You had a sell.
The sell happened right after we closed the stream.
It just literally moment the force. So we came, so my alert got hit around at, same 60 to 63, when we came. And the moment it tapped and it dropped like heavily. But I was not expecting it will drop 300 pips. I don't know.
That even I did not expect. The good thing that it happened, I'm happy, but I was not expecting that.
And same thing, if you even notice like this. So you do have this sort of, small resistance zone. So your support resistance here, support resistance, price goes back in the range, that's a fake out. So now this 63, it price fill this range. Now if on this range is already filled up, maybe it gave something on 15, or no, it gave nothing. It might have gave something on 5. So yes, 5 close below, you could have sell from 48, SL 55, and then something like that. But again, if you miss the move, we miss the move. Our entry doesn't satisfy the conditions. So that's it. And now you got some sort of rejection of 100 pips from this POI. And see, even this order block, you would have your SL hit right here. You would have your SL hit on hourly on 30 minutes. So now you know that traps, avoid traps. Again, there is no point to enter on a single confirmation. Order book is a single confirmation.
Yeah. We need to move on.
Here's a rejection.
Oh, so very odd, right? No way to enter anywhere.
We'll find entry for sure, but just it's a matter of time.
Yes.
Let this FEG to print. 6 minutes, this FEG will become valid. I think this 20, it will something goes around 48. And then 30, we might have, not 30, we don't have nothing. Again, this hourly, again, this, in the morning, we have this order block and POI. Same thing is holding much, 33 area, 33, 30, sorry, 36, 30 area.
Who would have thought actually that the POI would work out this perfectly?
But there was a POI plus this hourly order block, right? So we have nice volume, 30 and then 26. But same thing, when they don't want to respect it, they don't give a shit about anything, you know. And now,
Weekly pivot. Another thing. Weekly pivot.
yeah, weekly pivot of 32. Yeah, this could anyway, this could have been a 100 inventory on weekly pivot. But again, what's gone is gone. I'll let this entry come to you.
Yeah. Don't post the entry.
And right now I see nothing.
And I am closing. I'm seriously closing for the bit. No, I am. And then I've taken more than enough trades. So that's 4 trades is more than enough.
Yeah, it's not about the trades. This is what the profit you made. Now you pour the entire move, basically.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. It's not the way.
Yeah, that's it.
And PU kind of small reaction. GU is not, GU don't even want to stop. GU like, okay, I'll talk more. $162 pips here till here.
Awesome. Yeah, the day like this is more than enough to trade actually.
Dude, you're done for the week.
Right, exactly. Done for the week.
Why are you worrying about the small things?
Just to play out should come fast. That's it.
So I have some trouble here. Hello.
Yeah, you're ready.
You know, tiny trouble.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
So,
One hour closed. One hour closed.
do what engulfing, you know? So 1 hour close,
This is not engulfing.
engulf 5 in.
Yeah. What happened in the morning? It's just repeating again.
See, the 140 rejection. From that, order block plus POI. See, 105 K order block, 3630, and then 26. We do have some FVG over here. That is.
But we have an FPG right now on 15 minute. It's 11K if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 10K.
Let my indicator come back to life. Okay, we have 20K on 17 minutes. And then 15 minutes, we have 10K somehow like this. So, and this is last 1 hour. Last 1 hour, I did 64. Sell from this FVG at 47, SL will go around 51 or maybe 55. Let's see, have some bearish sign again.
I'm just looking at one thing. I need to understand few things. So really just unlace this and I'll be back.
The question is if we sell from this FVG or not. Because but only here right now this is a FVG.
Was scalp actually.
If we try to spell from this FVG, sell about this FVG or maybe about 55, and then we can target again 32. But the only question is,
Yes.
I don't have any more confirmation. Oh, last 30-minute high is at 55. Yeah? So we can expect something like this if we retrace again, and then we can drop that potential. Maybe let's try over this. So where is 20? 20 is at 48. Yeah, 20 is valid, na? So we have 48 and 15 is on this one. But then SL will go around at 55. So again, 70%, not 70, maybe 80. So we can try it like this.
Sorry. That's great. You might need to wait.
No, I have a trade, you know, I with earlier position combined.
Okay.
And what about EU? Well, the EU is rejecting from that area. So again, same thing as everybody. It might retrace a bit and then we can drop again. Something like this, you know, that we can. Same with the GU. Expected retracement and see the DXY. it can't just go in one direction, you know. It had to come down a bit. Maybe it come to retest this area, then we are good to go. So this would go around there. Oh, almost at it bring it. I'm putting it at 47 exactly, 47 to 55. Expecting price to continue down. Although if it flips right now, then we might need to interrupt flip an SL right here at 46.
You did not enter, right? It's not active yet.
No, I haven't yet. It should have activated. Okay, lost.
Only also.
If we zoom out, then it is active. But if we zoom in, then our entry would be around, let's just say this one, 47.14. 47 should be entry. Even it came only 46.50. Yeah, still there, still struggling. So 47. And I think if it flips directly, then it might go directly since the week.
Okay, yeah, I think it is going to fit the week.
It had to break the current candle low first. The same thing. I don't want to go in current candle low because then the SL would be too tight, you know.
Yeah.
Then SL would be right here at 50, 60 pips. It can still drop. But if you if you enter from the retracement, then we have a buffer of last candle, you know. We will have this candle 5 or is a safer SL. Like now flipping that entire, make a not engulfing an alpha candle again, that would be, again a rare sight, not today. But it can happen, it can break these lows and try to go down straight away and totally affect the
It goes into whatever gold wants to do.
Yeah. Okay, break current candle low on hourly. And SL57, something like this. But no, I'm not going into this one. I'll wait for my entry.
Okay, but then about most of the structures, it's according to me. Yeah, right. But other than that, Andrew would have it like, I'm down with it. It closed over the EMA, right? Yeah. You know, I earlier didn't play the EMA one. So that's the early loss that I had before. It's like, something is happening.
You know why they're saying that they're getting weird audio?
What?
Because I'm not on my headphone, I'm on speaker, and they're getting twice input from my end. So, hold on. I should be on a headphone, otherwise your audios, they'll also catching from my mic. So, give me
time now, I understand.
It should be fine now.
Oh,
Yeah, I can hear.
now मेरे ऊपर हेडफोन क्यों नहीं है मेरे पास, है ना? So that is the concern. Vijay was right.
Yes, Vijay was right.
Vijay was not wrong, you know.
Vijay could not be wrong. What you're saying, Manoj? You're saying that Vijay is always wrong?
हेलो मेरे मुंह में डाल तो भाई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
No, give me a 25, 29k FVG on 15 minute again. You see me opening lots then.
I would like to show, okay.
No, bro. I think
अबे मैं
burned it from
मैं
somebody.
3 क्यों लिखता हूँ यार, यहाँ पे 6 है. लेकिन गोल्ड में तो हाई देखने की आदत भी है ना अभी. What's the high of the last candle? 54.96 to 55 point. Guys, I can't do much. That's what I said, but you can. And then we can target this
Is
area.
46.45.
No, this candle high.
15 minute candle high, right?
Even 30 same story. So if 30 is this candle high is 50.
High is showing 46 point.
No, this high is right here. See. So if you click
Oh,
on
that high. Okay, sorry, the other candle's high. Sorry, my bad.
not correct.
Yeah, yeah.
That's last.
54.96. Yeah, that's right. Sorry.
It was that right here. That was our intent. I'm always concerned how when we have this kind of candle holder, and if you go on the candle flip, price break this low, then because the SL is slight, no price can literally go back to retrace, make it bigger, we can then come drop. So that is always a risky zone for us. So that is why I don't prefer to take such entries. If this kind of flip like a lot around, if it goes around, 50s area, then it flip, then we do have a defending chance that, okay, we can survive this. But right now, I don't trust this smaller look. Although, I can be wrong. It can literally drop to fill this week. That is a possibility.
I think a wick fill is possible.
Yeah.
But yeah, if a wick fill is going to happen, then on 15 minutes, it would be a bearish, bullish, bearish confirmation again, which actually means that it could go down more.
Just 15 is just about to close now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just about to close. So if 15 close like this, then maybe on low of this candle and then SL again. SL are going to next level. it is now we're trading on these pairs now. This is where we have some nice entry. So see, we do have this sort of drop happen. We fill the last zone, but again, if you candle close like this, and then we can go. But logically, this was a nice breakout right here. No big off. Now, I sell 10 people sell to 31 to 38 right here, and same with the G. G also do have a nice breakout right here. Also, if you reduce this candle to this area, let GU come to this, put on some base candle, and then we can see. As we have same entry, no change in the entry. So 36.47 I'm planning to take. If we would have right now, that would have given 78.
I should go out somewhere.
Yeah, after that money you have to spend it, you know.
I already spent a lot of money, bro. This, I think Monday and Tuesday has been a very expensive. This week, it's been very expensive for me.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going to buy a normal car, but you decided for M3, it will cost you, you know.
What does a trader do as soon as he gets profit?
Car.
Exactly. In all fairness, that buy entry which I did today, that was an impulse entry which I should not, like, I do not have much justification on that. It did work out. That is good for me.
You know,
Like, it did work out just like that.
you know, right now, you know, if I don't go in the logic and just, you know, go take some random entry, I think say, okay, let's just sell right here, because see, we have bearish, bullish now, 15 goes bearish, take a trade and target this side. And then if I go with our plan, okay, we have support right here.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, today morning's entry, I had only one confirmation of the EMA, like 1 hour EMA. That was only confirmation. That also got invalidated immediately. That it closed below the 200 EMA. I was like, okay, now what should I do? So I just waited for like 5-10 minutes. Candle went up, and then next thing I know is that it's just going up. Like, okay,
Yeah.
let it ride.
Sometimes luck favors the brave, you know. Now I pretty much sure this week which is going to fill
The
up.
rest of the entries which I did, I had logic. Like, I had proper idea for that. I knew exactly why I was taking it. Like, I had confirmations moreover.
And nowadays, bro, this is part of the game, you know. Sometimes you take entry, sometimes just gut feeling, you know.
Yeah.
If we missed this entry by hardly 5 pips. If we could active, we were running 100 pips. But tough luck, and I don't assume that price to come back. So guys, delete the sell limit now. No point to holding on that one. So if it's hourly, sorry, this 30-minute close right now. So in 10 minutes, how much the FEG would be? Oh, we have 24k FEG. Okay, that is a nice FEG to take a trade. That's a good. So yes, we might have one. Yeah, on 30 minutes.
It's not loading for me. Yeah, it's
So
just
this,
a bit late for me. Yeah, 24k FEG.
yeah,
Oh yeah, definitely.
on 10 minutes, then again we might have again entry. But see, price is respecting this zone now. Price in the morning ejected from this area. Now it dropped a lot heavily. 36, 35, still respecting the support zone, although it's a bit down to the downside, but still respecting this zone. So as long as we're respecting this, we are good. And but if next candle decided to close below this, some bearish candle right here, then we can take it. Sell to target maybe 31, but it's not big of range, but we need a bigger range to trade now. Yes. Then we can target this range. Okay. You see, this range right now, it came down till this area, but we haven't had a closure. So once we have a closure in this range, so we have how many times we are going to sit? When we have closure right here, let me see. यहाँ पर कैंडल क्लोज भी थी ये वाली यहाँ पे, then next कैंडल कहाँ तक आई थी 3029 तक, and then even go further. यहाँ पर देखो ये फेक आउट हुआ, प्राइस फिर से जोन में क्लोज हुई, ये कहाँ तक आई है 3027 समथिंग एरिया. यहाँ पर एक कैंडल इस जोन के नीचे क्लोज हुई. नेक्स्ट कैंडल मे बी आफ्टर फ्यू कैंडल्स कहाँ तक रिड्यूस हुआ है 25. यहाँ पर प्राइस फेक आउट, इस कंसोलिडेशन जोन इसका काउंट नहीं करते. अगेन ये क्लोज हुआ है कहाँ तक आ गया 28 तक. तो सेम स्टोरी कैन हैपन है. अगर प्राइस क्लोज होती है, अपने क्लोजर मिलता है इसके नीचे, तो अपन नेक्स्ट ज्यूम कर सकते हैं कि प्राइस कैन गो टू टुवर्ड्स 28 और इवन फर्दर देन दैट. तो उसके ऊपर एक ट्रेड ले जाएगी.
I do feel that the 3600 might be coming. If it is dropping, 3600 might be a good area to buy from again. If you are only looking for sells right now.
Yeah, I'm going.
A reversal point maybe.
Yeah, can happen, no doubt in that part.
Yeah.
This hourly is, closing bullish. 30-minute is also bullish. 15 is printing some sort of bearish. On GBP USD, same I think on Euro USD, some sort of bearish shine on these. So let's see how these go. See what Dixie का विजय का क्या हो गया म्यूजिक का रिपोर्ट फिर से चालू कर दिया गया मैंने. बंद कर दिया भाई, बंद कर दिया.
Nothing is there.
अरे
Nothing is there. There's no new chart. I don't think so.
अरे नहीं, म्यूजिक.
Oh, he texted you. Okay.
विजय बोला इन ट्रेडिंग आई एम ऑलवेज रॉन्ग. अबे ऐसा कैसे हुआ? वो 31 ऑर्डर लोग सही तो नहीं था तूने? कुछ ही बोलता है यार ये लड़का. विजय ट्रम्प ने कुछ नहीं कहा भाई, ये कल के मार्केट का रिएक्शन है. ट्रम्प कहाँ कुछ बोलता है आजकल.
So he decreased the interest rate, right? Or
यार वो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि मेरे हाथ ऐसे इच कर रहे हैं ट्रेड करने को, लेकिन मेरे को ट्रेड मिल नहीं रही यार। समझ रहे हो? तो
This again a sign that you should not trade.
हाँ ना, तो हम आई डोंट सी एनी क्लियर सेटअप दैट सेटिस्फाई आवर सेटअप
Yes.
स्ट्रेटजी। एंड उसके अलावा फिर ये चलता है कि यार ये क्यों बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, स्ट्रीम चल रही है बट कुछ ट्रेड नहीं मिल रही, बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज। ऐसे विजय कह रहा है कि प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प सेज पुतिन हैज लेट मी डाउन, ही इज रियली लेट मी डाउन। अरे छोड़ विजय, ट्रम्प का रोज है। ब्रो अपन 1 मिनट के स्विच लें तो ट्रेन ट्रेन है अपने पास।
Hmm. I'll kindly remind you a dialogue which you sent earlier.
ओके आई विल टेक इट बैक। सही से ट्रेडिंग में सबसे हार्डेस्ट पार्ट यही है। सो राइट नाउ देयर इज नथिंग टू डू। ठीक है, कोई
Yeah.
सेटअप अलाइन नहीं हो रहा है, कोई इवन तुम ये ट्रेड भी करते हैं, इवन 42 एसएल वाज 55 और तुम्हारा सपोर्ट यहाँ पे 36 पे ही है, तो तुम वही 120 3 पे 120 पे एसएल लेके तुम 60 पे पट्टी को लेके, तो वो भी जस्टिफाइबल नहीं है। अब तुम्हारे पास ये वाली रेंज है, इसके नीचे क्लोज हुआ, देन यू कैन टारगेट समथिंग अराउंड 28 एरिया, बट फिर तुम उसमें कहोगे यहाँ पे कुछ काम का जोन नहीं है। तो बस अब थोड़ा ये चलेगा, थोड़ा कंसोलिडेशन, थोड़ा मैनिपुलेशन कुछ होगा इधर से उधर, बट आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर कोई ना कोई ट्रेड मिल जाएगा अपने। ठीक है, ये डिक्सी आई थिंक अगेन माइट this closed like if Dixie this closed like doji right now, then again next candle might shoot up again, and the EU and
Yes.
GU का जो retracement हुआ है ना, they can come down again। तो ये जो retracement हुआ है कितना hardly वो 30 पे तो ये होगा, 30 पे भी runs it, and see if GU close like this, next candle might come down to tap on the support level 35.40।
Okay. Nice. 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 This 30-minute is closing like this.
So से ये 30 मिनट ऐसे क्लोज होता है तो अपने पास ये एफएजी यूनिट हो गई है, देन तो
Yeah.
अब यहाँ
Yeah.
से इफ देयर इज अ रिट्रेसमेंट देन यू कैन सेल फ्रॉम 48 49। सो ये तो जो
40.
आई थिंक
40
प्राइस
and
48 49 यू कैन सेल। ठीक है,
48.5 we can put an entry actually.
नो दैट्स टू हाई, 40.5 पुट करना पड़ेगा ना। सी द लो ऑफ दिस कैंडल इज 48.9 49 ही एग्जैक्टली, 48.50 यू कैन पुट।
48.50. That's what I say.
हाँ ओके, आई हैव 49.50, ओके 48.50 नाइस एंट्री।
Vijay is telling check 5-minute.
क्या है 5 मिनट पे ऑर्डर लॉक?
I think he's telling about the 4K FVG in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I see this.
But yeah, I think I would prefer the 30-minute.
Yeah.
I'm putting an entry at 48.5.
ISL 50,
In-
55, same story.
in my competition account.
Trade where you are. I just check. I have one, same in competition account. I have price running from 33.60.
Okay.
Then I check the next guy. He is running something, I don't know, 300%, 400%. And I'm like, okay, not happening. I already made, so I am running 50% on that trade, just 50%. 50% is too much.
Okay.
But the dude is running 400%. So I'm like, okay, at 10, not even in competition.
It's not a competition anymore.
So, so on 30-minute on retracement, this is the entry we have. Then we have 19K.
In one of my account, I have not taken a trade in 2 weeks.
Sacrifice.
Yeah.
Oh, waiting for payment.
Yeah, I know. Waiting for payment.
No point to trade daily.
It is absolutely correct. There is no point of trading daily.
For some
When I
reason,
look at my journal and when I look at my P&L of different accounts, I can see that, yeah, makes sense that I do not have to trade daily on every account. Like,
and we say if you take your trade on 5 minutes, you'll be active and you'll be running some profit, and that's it. And I highly recommend you take some parcels after maybe 10 pips. Doesn't he have 10 pips?
I think, yeah, easy 10 pips.
Yeah, Vijay, it gave you 10 pips. So now move your SL to just right now, right here. Maybe
10 pips, I think so.
move your SL to 40.10. That's it. High, just high above this stand. $15 pip, 20. What else you need in this life? You get 20 pip from 5-minute order long. That's it.
5-minute FVG, yeah.
And if somehow, keep it tight, then you take 10 pip SL and you get now 30 pips. Done.
Close the trade then and there, that's it.
Yeah, it's nice profit, man. It is a nice profit. What if this kind of you perish from that 5 minutes?
Good.
So the entry we have is this. Till then, it's just a boring game.
And as you said, I think it is flipping bearish. Come on, bit more go down so that it will flip bearish. No, I'm not in this trade.
कोई बात नहीं पीछे हुआ इस ट्रेड में कोई तो होगा ही. Say, might take a 4 hour order block with this. We do have 4 hour order block somewhere.
below.
Oh, this one.
Where
Yeah,
is the stop loss?
I'm pretty much optimistic that price can go to 3600. That is in the plan. That can happen.
No, 3600, I do agree. 3600, my buy limit is over there. I have a buy limit of 3600.
And if you draw, oh, dude, but I think we might have to look at this. If this happens, so if this 4 hour candle close below this trend line, then expect a retracement and then drop like this.
Yes.
And 4 hour working wonders these days. So let's just wait for price to
Yeah.
close below something. So if somehow this 4 hour close below in 2 hours like here, then we are good to drop. This is a nice closer. And then our FEG is good, and then I'll increase our SL to around maybe 100 pips. Yeah.
Yes.
And never tried. If you tried, so if your FEG worked, then you don't need to try the outer loop again. It can work, but why risk it? We'll literally get how many views from here? 22, and if I go in 1 minute, yes. From this tab, we get 34 pip from this tiny 5 minute order flow. What else you need? If this 15 close like this, I'll sell Eve. See, we do have a
Okay.
retest. See, the retest exactly happened to the last low of this candle. See, so if this 15 close like this, it might give us a chance to drop 20 pips. And I think Geo might heading towards 40. Thirty-six, 41. Why I have this feeling we might get acting?
50-minute.
Okay, let me send an entry. So in case we will just take note that below, but if I 48.50 is fine, na? 48.50. So
4850. SL is
so 55.30.
55, 5530, right?
Yeah. Forty-eight, I said, right? 48.50.
48.50 is the entry. 55.3 is the SL.
Okay, so how much is this? 70? 70, about 67 people vessel, right?
60, yeah, 60, yeah, 68, 67 per professor.
Oh, Chintika, deep in good brother. If you buy yourself, or yeah, 67 is a nice entry. But somehow we missed it. So we can't blame anybody. But this is not the first time we are missing entries. It's as usual.
And I don't think so. This would be the last time also.
I guess, but there were.
Like you don't need to feel bad about missing entries. That's it.
If I go on 1 hour, so only
Yeah.
I already told this. Only logical way to look at this was let me delete these things first. You see a clear chart. Only logical way to look at this. See, this was the 4 hour. We have support. Price didn't break out. We know this support. See, we had a breakout, but the price never ever close above this one. So we're respecting this. We're respecting the 65 line. We do sweep the liquidity, but we're still respecting this line. So then we have a bearish in the morning. It gave nice 200 pips. Again, price decided to go above, but couldn't break it. Next candle still closed below, so that was our entry. But somehow we missed it. Then we wanted to take a trade based on this, but price never gave us a chance. It straight dropped. Nowhere we could have entered. So if we would have, so now this 30-minute just closed right above this, so we couldn't enter on this one as well. And even I wouldn't enter anyway because we do have a next support right here. But this candle, we close right here. And the next candle, we try to enter from 46, 47 that we missed by 5 pips. So that is also missed. So,
Yes.
so a couple of things happened, but we didn't satisfy our plan. So we didn't enter. That's it. So it's not like that we don't want to enter, but whatever our plans is, some conditions are not met. Due to that, we have to miss this entire move. And in the morning, I was sleeping, so that is also my fault. But it drove very fast, And then we have EU. So potentially now EU is closing. The EU we can attempt to sell.
Okay.
EU, so now we have bearish, we entry or take an SL would be 20 pips and target would be this candle high. So target is 16. Damn, I don't like this. But again, it's justifiable, we can manage. But no, why we take 20? We will take this candle high. So we have literally 1-to-1 trade now. But do not enter right away. I'll give you the entry. So let it close in 2 minutes. And then we will, so it's, there may be some people who are not watching, let me write it down. Do not enter right away. Wait for candle close. So assuming if this candle close like this, we enter on low of this candle. So that would be a sell stop and SL will go to high of this candle. So high of this candle is what? 1782. So take 8 to 5, like Euro USD have less than a pip spread anyway. So if this candle close like this, I'm assuming then our entry would be 17674. So 1767. So and ISL will go to 17.825. Okay. So 58 more seconds, and then you can put this entry in your MT5, and moment it closes, you just put this, and we will be good to go. And GU, but GU is not worthwhile because GU already came here. We only have 10 pip and SL go around 21 pip. So GU is cancelled. So I think EU looks nice. So we go to USD. Okay, guys, we got a closer. Put this entry. So
Yes.
pending order, sell stop. Again, don't try to be over smart. Just wait for candle to flip. Do not enter right away. I repeat, do not enter right away. Wait for this candle to flip. You know. And that's it. Uh, 1:15. And if it doesn't flip, then we are good to go. See, we saved by 5 pips only. Dude, if you look at notice, there is some pip difference between funded next and then funding this ONDA. Look at the charts.
Yes, there is. Huh,
If
there
you,
is a difference.
yeah, no, so I think the chart low of this last 15 candle is 17,670 on ONDA. And sorry, on funded next, and ONDA is going at something 6.4. So okay, we will be active soon in something. Most probably gold. Forward, let me copy this in case we vote active, so at least we have a record. So that would be the EU, right?
Yeah, EU trade.
And gold,
That, to be honest, it does make sense to me.
EU is like simple trade. Yeah, we do have a we price dropped heavily, we shoot to the upside, we close bearish, and then next candle moment we flip into it. Okay, guys, something happened here again. Yes. But guys, let me clear my gate. Okay. Okay, guys, the EU doesn't look good to me right now till it sells. So those who become more smart will be wrecked by now. Because if they went on candle closer, oh my gosh, it's nothing. See, you just saved by how many pips? Just half pip. So in delete you sell stop, and then only thing active right now is gold. So gold sell limit as, oh sorry, I didn't put it here. My bad, folks. Uh, so we are entering from this FEG and the SL is right here. So the limit is 36.48. Okay, let me send this to Telegram as well. I forgot we do have Telegram.
Okay. It's going to be a very long day for us, I think.
Oh yeah, good. I think, but this EU is still in the game. If this kind of flips, we are good. But for the moment, I believe the cells. So just okay. I thought it would break the hype, but it didn't. Uh,
$44. Okay. And 48.
Again, nothing.
Still waiting. There's a slight chance that it might happen tomorrow only, but we'll wait. We'll see.
Something happening in EU. Oh, dude, EU. If
You
this
dropped all of a sudden.
if this flips, then our SL will be reduced to this candle. But again, it's all upon Dixie, man. Dixie rejecting now. If Dixie can shoot up, they all come down. So same story.
Yes.
Uh,
Sell stuff at 1.1764.
It's still struggling to go down.
Come on. Gold also.
Door nothing. Guys, just stay for 4 or 5 more minutes. If it isn't active, then it's good to do. It's good to close the stream, okay?
Yeah, sounds good. After this, do you want to
The thing,
Battlefield? Yeah.
well, like contact Pratik, maybe people are there when can play for sure.
Vasilius isn't there. I know that. Pratik is in office. Looks like this candle is getting flipped over. 30-minute candle.
Gold?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, gold.
The 15, dude, man, this is a weird structure. So now, like this, if you see, try to create a support right now. So if this candle close in 2 minutes, so now we have a new resistance. Sorry. Then we do have the
This means
support,
like
right? Then we have support right here. Well, this is on 15 now. So, and if it close like this, then we have other part as well. So now you can say, okay, we are respecting the support zone highly. We rejected once, this close bullish, it can even go up. Both scenario. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, out. There is nothing much.
You're ending?
Yeah, there is nothing much to stay on the stream. EU rejected again. Even I won 15 push bullish. GU, there is no point. GU, we don't have enough range. Gold again struggling in this range, so no point in staying in gold as well. Although I do have a limit order left. If I found something change in the plan, then I delete the limit order, or there is some update, I'll do that. And till then,
Yeah.
I'm just, there is nothing in the market right now. Move already happened. Now the consideration part. If you stay maybe bit for 1 more hour, we might get few pips, but there's no point into staying that long.
Yeah, then it's just we are forcing us to trade it. That's it.
So that's it. So that is all, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow. I'll try to wake up a bit early so I can stream Nation. Otherwise, I'll see you in London and as well.
Yeah.
Okay, well, so